Okay, you know what am I picking up? The coach here to say look predictable. I'm a substitutions angena nge-65 minutes. You've got ama players okuthi they are of impact. Njengoba thina ka substitute usebenzisa ama impact players. Ama-impact players uyawathatha uyawasideline walahlela le phezulu. With games like this, these are games okuthi you are not even supposed to undermine small teams. Small teams are the ones that kill big teams. Now, if you go into a game, you need to be certain ukuthi no, I've got a solid team. You need to predict ukuthi if it happens ukuthi 0-0. I must be able to have penalty takers. So in each and every single thing, coach needs to start focusing and humble himself. Because right now I think Uguti is arrogant and the technique is extremely exposed. Yes, you've got Thabo Muremi, Umlungu, Diong. You're killing those players. Mbutuma Nemtajela, you're killing those players because you're putting them in games they require experience. By the time these boys are still developing.
Okay.
Give them his support. Give them his support and let them show his skills out. But
Minute